How to import photos into Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the New Project Plus button to create a project to import the photos. Then tap again on the plus button in the bottom left corner. You will see an option to select photos from your file manager or from the app's default inbuilt collection. Browse through your folders and choose the photos you want to import. You can select a single photo or multiple images at once depending on your editing needs. You can also rearrange the order of your photos before importing if you want them to appear in a specific sequence. If you accidentally choose the wrong photo, you can simply deselect it and pick the correct one. After selecting, tap on the checkmark button in the top right and your photos will be added directly into your project timeline, ready for editing. If you are already in the editing phase and want to import photos, simply tap the plus button in the bottom left and add them easily to your timeline. You can now adjust the duration, add transitions, apply filters, and make creative edits to your imported photos without any hassle. Now you know how to import photos into Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.